They say that government contracting is hard to break into. They say that system is broken. But what if I told you that the reason you're not getting calls from federal buyers is because your DSBS profile is either blank or forgotten? And here's the twist. Fixing it will take less than 15 minutes. How to update your DSBS profile in 15 minutes, guys. So most small businesses, they think that SAM.gov is the whole game. But what they don't know is that buyers, they aren't searching SAM.gov. They're searching DSBS, the Dynamic Small Business Search. And if that's not filled out right, you're invisible. All right, in this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to update your DSBS and give you the words that make buyers actually reach out. So what is DSBS? I'm Dr. Mel, and I help business owners live their best life doing what they love by unlocking the power of federal opportunities. Today, I'm not just teaching the what, I'm showing you the how. So, what is DSBS and why does it matter? So, let's start with the truth. DSBS is like your GovCon resume. It's managed by SBA and pulls from your SAM's profile. Why does it matter? But here's what's most missed. DSBS manually, it's practically empty. And buyers, they won't call you about a blank page. Contrast that with the business I've helped update their DBS with strong capability narratives and targeted keywords. They start getting inquiries in weeks. So before you begin, let's make this simple. Here's what you need before you touch a single key. You need an active SAM.gov registration, UEI number, login.gov access, and your core capabilities and past performance write-up. Got that? Great. Now, let's jump into the 8-minute process that changes everything. Step-by-step walkthrough. So you're going to log into SAM.gov. You're going to click Workspace, and then you're going to find your entity and you're going to click Update. This opens your editable SAM profile. Now, here's the trick. This isn't where DSBS lives. That comes next. Step 3, you want to click Updates. Step 4, you want to review and update your information. Go to Request Access to DSBS by clicking Access. Select DSBS. Enter your UEI and bank account, or 9 zeros if needed. Step 6, you want to request access to DSBS. Step 5, once approved, click your UEI. Now you're in DSBS. Step 7, open your DSBS profile. This is where the magic happens. What to write in DSBS. Step 8, you want to update your DSBS profile. You want to focus on 3 things: capability narrative, keywords, and your past performance. Here is where storytelling meets strategy. Use strong verbs. Align your language with your NAICS codes. Crafting a great capability statement. Instead of we have, or instead of we help agency, say delivered $2.1 million in logistics services to DHS under tight deadlines across 3 states. That's not fluff. That's federal credibility. Want the exact language I use with my clients? Check the description. I've linked a free cheat sheet there. Section 5, you want to finalize and launch. Once everything is in, you want to save. Double check that your updates are live. And just like that, your profile goes from ghost town to GovCon ready. So remember this, most contractors are invisible to the people that they want to reach, but the visibility you need, it starts with doing what others won't do, and that's updating your DSBS because the federal buyers are looking. The real question is, will they find you? So if this helped, drop a comment below and let me know where you're at in your GovCon journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe because next week I will be breaking down how to write a capability statement that sells without selling.